It's Ray here with Smith Government Consulting, doing a quick tutorial video today through things on the FCP. So far we've covered a lot. We've covered additions, deletion mods, EPA mods, price increases, and temporary price reductions. We've covered catalog baselines. We're kind of getting to the end of some of the more common mods in FCP. So one of the last ones that does come up often is a part number change. Real quick, why would we do a part number change, especially a manufacturer part number change? And really, it could be for any reason. It might be that when you did your ad mod, you mixed up the letters. I typed AB instead of BA. It could be that you forgot to put a dash in the part number somewhere. It could be that your supplier just simply changed their part number because they're making updates in their system. Options really don't matter what the reason is, but GSA has long since understood and recognized part numbers do change from time to time, and it doesn't mean that it's a new product. We just need to update the part number. So real quick, if you're in a legacy SIP program, I'm sorry, your time is coming, I promise. There are golden streets here in FCP. You will get here soon, I promise. But if you are, it's real simple, right? You go into eMod, click our part number change mod, submit the price proposal template that has old part number, new part number, old description, new description, cover letter, and it's done. You update it in SIP. Unfortunately, FCP doesn't work that way. In FCP, you can actually see it in their descriptions here. They do recognize that the changes happen, but there's not really a way to do it with a product file, and it has to do with their accountability of making sure that your part numbers are accurate based on what's awarded. So unfortunately, we do have to do a deletion mod and then an addition mod. So let's just take a look. I have my sample product file, and we're going through, and let's just say there's one item on here we want to change. We're going to change the part number of this one, gravity. So what we're going to first do is our product file for deletion. Again, I've covered the deletion mod, so if you're really curious, check out my company's YouTube channel. The tutorial section has all of these videos on there. But basically, when we're doing a deletion, all we're doing on the product file is adding that one item that we're going to delete. We're going to upload that into FCP as a deletion mod. Same thing through eMod. Cover letter that says why we're deleting it. And the cover letter, we're just going to let GSA know we're deleting this because the part number has changed and FCP doesn't allow me to change the part number. Once it's done, we're going to come back over. We're going to do our add mod. Same item, just call it a new part number. Instead of calling it gravity, it's 𝗪𝗿𝗀𝗆 space number 2. Yes, I thought it was a terrible movie, sorry. And you'll notice everything else has stayed the same. Our price has stayed the same, government price has stayed the same, delivery days are the same, FOB points are the same, even to the point where our photos are going to stay the same. We're not making any real changes to that. And we're going to upload that as an ad mod. The other thing you're going to want to do when you send this over to GSA with your ad mod, let your contract officer or your contract specialist know, one, there's a reason that I only put one, maybe 2 or 3 items that were changing the part number on an ad mod. Let them know that it's really a part number change. It might actually speed that process up a little bit for you so that they're not questioning, hey, can't this be added to a larger ad mod? Or might just help them understand, hey, this already was awarded, we just changed the part number. Little things like that. Anytime you can be forthcoming with the information to your GSA representatives, the better that it is. Let them know exactly what you're trying to do. If you have any questions, concerns, not really sure what you're doing, definitely encourage you, come over to my website, click on the contact button, reach out to me. You can book an appointment. I offer free 30-minute consultations. If you need a more in-depth training, let me know. We can work something out. I love teaching this stuff. It's a joy for me. I actually enjoy what I do. Really love what I do. I'd be happy to walk you through a mod or two like this. Just let me know. Reach out anytime. And other than that, I hope you're doing great. I know it's a tough time of year it's been a tough year for government contractors. I promise it's going to get better. Hang in there. It will get better. Take it easy. Talk to you later.